Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. One of the main questions I'm asked is, what will the scar look like? How short can I go ahead and cut the hair? Well, is this a perfect example or what? Can you find the scar? Well, let me help you find it. So this is more than 5 years ago that I have the opportunity to show you where this scar is. Can you see that fine pencil line scar right there? It is so minute. So here you go, right here. So when you're questioning what you want to have done, FUE versus an FUT, I'll tell you right now, you're never going to be able to notice or barely find our scar without really looking for it. And whether you need an FUE versus an FUT, if you have that 3A to 4C hair texture, I always recommend an FUT, which is the strip procedure, over the FUE, just because of the curve of the hair. Just like it's curly above the skin, it's also curly underneath the skin. And this is a perfect example why you should undergo the FUT procedure, the strip procedure, because you're not going to have a huge scar from it.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.